Welcome to OFAR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Brimnes TV Bench from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a hammer, a pencil, an Allen key that IKEA provides you with, and an extra person to help you in some of the steps. You can also use a drill with the Phillips bit or a posi drive bit to speed up the assembly process. So the first step is to put these 7 panels into these orientations. Here's how all of them should be organized. The middle panel should have these 2 holes in this orientation. Also, these 2 small panels should have these 3 holes in this orientation and facing down like this. These bottom panels should be in this orientation with these 2 holes facing the left side. The left panel should be in this orientation and have the unfinished edge facing the left side. As for the right panel, it should be in this orientation and have the unfinished edge facing the right side. So now that you have everything set up, grab the right drawer slider that should be labeled with an R and 2 small screws from bag 1. Put the right drawer slider onto the left panel like this and secure it using 2 screws. The 2 screws will be going into these 2 holes. Now grab 3 left drawer sliders and 6 screws. Put the 3 left drawer sliders on like this and secure each drawer slider with 2 screws. Now grab 8 of these screws and screw them into these 8 holes. Then grab 22 wooden dowels, and the first 6 dowels will be hammered into these 6 holes. Now for these 2 bottom panels, 8 dowels will be hammered into these 8 holes. As for the right and left panels, 4 dowels will be hammered into these 4 holes. And for the last 4 dowels, hammer them into these 4 holes. Now grab 4 of these screws and an Allen key. Then flip the middle panel over like this so the unfinished edge is facing up, and connect the 2 small top panels as shown. Just make sure that the big holes on the small panels are facing the right side. So now on the other side, using the Allen key, screw the 4 screws into these 4 holes. Next, grab 4 of these screws and screw them into these 4 holes. Now attach the bottom panels on like this. Again, make sure the bigger holes on each panel are facing the right side. Then attach the left panel as shown. Next, grab 6 fasteners and secure them into these 6 holes. Now grab 2 right drawer sliders and 4 small screws. Secure the right drawer sliders on like this. Then grab these 2 legs and put them into this orientation. Also grab 4 dowels. Then hammer the 4 dowels into these 4 holes. Now attach the 2 legs on like this. Next, grab 2 fasteners and secure them into these 2 holes. Then attach the right panel like this. Now grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 8 plastic scratch guards and hammer them into these 8 spots. Now put the top piece of the TV bench in this orientation. The unfinished edge should be located where I run my finger, and also grab 8 screws. The 8 screws will be screwed into these 8 holes. Then grab 2 brackets, 2 washers, and 2 screws. They'll be installed into these 2 spots. It's going to look something like this. First, put the bracket on like this, and then put the screw through the washer. Now secure the bracket, but you don't have to screw the screw all the way in. Do the same step for the other bracket. Now flip the TV bench onto its feet like this. Next, attach the top of the TV bench on like this. Then grab 8 fasteners and secure them into these 8 holes. Now flip the TV bench over like this. Next, grab the backing and put it on as shown. Then grab all the nails and this nail holder. If you're not comfortable hammering in the nails, you can use the nail holder to help you. So go to the top left corner and make sure the left side and the top of the backing is flush. Then hammer in one nail on the left side like this, and then hammer another nail on the top as shown. Next, grab another nail, and again, make sure that the left side of the backing is flush, and hammer in one nail in the bottom left corner. Then grab one more nail, and make sure that the top and the right side of the backing is flush, then hammer in one nail into this spot. Now grab 18 more nails and hammer them equidistant from each other along these spots. Next, grab a pencil and draw 2 lines in these 2 places. This will make the next step easier for you. Then grab 8 nails and hammer about 4 on each line. They should also be equidistant from each other. Now with another person, put the TV bench against the wall. If you want to secure the TV bench to drywall, I'll have a timestamp with a link in the description. The link is to another video that demonstrates how to secure a piece of furniture using the same IKEA brackets to drywall. I would also like to add that you'll need to purchase 2 wall anchors and 2 screws, as IKEA only gives you washers with this TV bench. So now let's focus on the drawers. Put the left and right side panels in this orientation. Also put the front of the drawer in this orientation. Then grab 4 of these screws from bag 2 and screw them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 4 dowels and hammer them into these 4 holes. Now attach the side panels on like this. Next, grab 4 fasteners and secure them into these 4 holes. Then put the bottom of the drawer on like this. Next, put the back of the drawer on as shown. Now grab 4 plastic pins and hammer them into these 4 holes. Then flip the drawer over like this and grab 2 corresponding DL and DR drawer sliders and 4 small screws. Now go to the left side of the drawer and attach the DL drawer slider on like this. Then secure the drawer slider using 2 screws. The screws will be going into these 2 holes. Then do the same thing for the right side with the DR drawer slider. Now grab this middle support and 2 small pointy screws. So you first screw in one of the screws into this hole. Just make sure you don't screw it all the way in though. Then hook the middle support on like this and turn it 180 degrees. Now with the other screw, secure the middle support. Next, flip the drawer over like this and grab 2 of these screws and 1 wooden handle. Then attach the handle using the 2 screws. It'll look something like this. Now grab 2 plastic bumpers and stick them on as shown. Now repeat the same steps in regards to the drawers 2 more times. And now simply put all the drawers on and then test them out to see if they open and close relatively smoothly. If you followed all these steps, then you shouldn't have any issues. You should now have a fully assembled Brimnes TV bench from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.